Happy holidays to you. Whatever you do, whatever you believe in, whatever you got going on, whatever your traditions are, I hope this one's your best one. I hope this year was your best year yet, and I hope the year coming up is even better. Got a great video for you right now. It's this Bugera tube amp, which is a budget tube amp. Vintage V22, 22 watt. My son picked it up in a parking lot of the Naperville Portillo's and for $100. Such a sweet deal. He never liked that it said vintage on it, but nothing about it was. So he put a 1960, a 64-year-old speaker, a Rola speaker in it. Rola was a company that was created in 1924, so 99 years ago, and this company pioneered the first cone speaker. The way speakers are still done. All this time later, this company started in 25. By 35, there was a big company in Surrey, England, and a big company in Cleveland, Ohio. And they were cranking out Jensen Celestians, both of them. England, obviously, taking care of that part of the world. Cleveland, obviously, taking care of this part of the world. Speakers for everybody. So, it's become popular to take one of these out of a Hammond organ and put it in a guitar amp because it's a vintage speaker and your amp will sound vintage. How could it not? Anyway, this amp, I always liked it. It's very Fender Twinish. It sounds like a Fender Twin, but obviously with the one speaker and the 22 watts, it's not twin-ish, you know what I mean? Twins are pretty thundering. But I got some vintage style pickups. I chose 3 different guitars with all different kinds of pickups that are all vintage, pretty much vintage spec. And I paired it up with my favorite compressor fuzz extraordinaire, the Big Muff Pi. Love, this is my favorite pedal. Love the Big Muff. Love it. Love, love, love. So, I'll just play the same things on these different guitars. What would a test be without the Telecaster, right? Without the Tele? Huh? This Tele is special. It's five-way switching. And so I got a Seymour Duncan Jazz in the neck and a Seymour Duncan Vintage noise canceling Tele in the bridge. pickup humbucker split. Uncomfortable. So one of my favorite things about the Big Muff and a Telecaster bridge pickup is you roll the tone all the way down, and you put the muff on, and it's total. Gotta have some P90 tones, and I've got a guitar with a whole lot of humbucker in the neck, Seymour Duncan, and a DiMarzio Phantom P90 noiseless rendering for the bridge. Vintage all the way.